Good morning, guys. I'm brewing some coffee because I'm a tired person. I have to get right to editing. I gotta get a video up, so it is that time. I have a sweatshirt, I'm cold. Gosh, I'm so tired. It feels like crap last night. Yeah, need some coffee in me. Stat. Oh my gosh. It's kind of nice. I'm gonna get some editing time before the girls wake up. Oh yeah. Unless I just jinx myself and they wake up like right now. But I just have to put a video up. I'm not gonna put up my makeup tutorial because it was crap. So I need to refilm that. But the video I filmed after that, I think I'm gonna put that one up. Hang on. Let me see how I like the footage. I just hope the video isn't too short.
This one seems to apply a little bit easier. They're very similar, just one is more gold and one is more champagne.
Anyway, so I'm excited. I'm going all the way to Ala Moana Mall to go pick up my Forever 21 order. So I'm so excited for that one. Okay. All right, this is today, super basic, this top, and there is a balloon in my head. And this top is from, I think it's from Target. And then these jeans are from Forever 21. I'm sorry, look, my kid's handprints. And then the shoes are from Nordstrom's. These are Steve Madden something. So that's what's going on today. We're about ready to leave to go pick up my Forever 21 order. So it's gonna be about an hour drive. Boo. So, yeah. Ew, that mirror, I really need to clean it. Gross. All right, girls. Let's get in Rocket. All right, Julia, it's unlocked. Go to your side. Come on, Marissa. Julie, go to your side. It's unlocked. Go. Thank you. Right. Julia, sit down, buckle up.
It's gonna be a bag.
Uh-huh.
It's gonna be a bag. No pee-pee. No pee-pee. Where's she? Is that?
Mwah. You didn't buckle the bottom. What? All right.
Tiger.
Hmm?
It's the
Hey guys, all right. What the heck? So I'm still using my phone in the car just until I get a holder for this. Hey, stop growling, just until I get a holder for this thing. But yeah, so we are off to the dry cleaners, and then we are off to Ella Moana. Really stupid recycling. Off to Ella Moana Mall after that. And then we're headed home. I've got to take some fashion pictures. I've got a few things I have to do work-wise, so. Woo! There's a van leaving. I'm not used to having neighbors back there. They just moved in. All right, off we go, girls. So home with my recycling can blows over, I'm gonna be pissed off. Like, they're so picky here. So like, if there's anything outside your recycling can, like if it blows out or whatever, they won't take it. And then like if your recycling, stop growling. And then if your recycling can tips over, they won't take it. So it's like, but I can't control the wind. So it's kind of annoying. Why am I wearing sunglasses? It's not even bright outside. Okay, it's kind of bright, but whatever. Hey, I got your purse. Okay, off we go. You gonna put the bat in your purse? Yeah. Okay. I slept like total crap last night. So I took my sleepy pill, and then I was like super tired. But then all of a sudden I got my second wind, because what happened was I was powering through the sleepiness as I was doing some things on my phone, and that basically made the sleepy pill do nothing. So I had to take another one later on, and I finally fell asleep. But yeah, never ever just chill on your phone in your bed if you want to go to sleep. At least I can't do that kind of thing. So, well, I can if I'm not like thinking about work things, but I was thinking about work things, and then I just set myself up for failure when it comes to a good night of sleep. So that was my fault, but I will power through it. Anyway, so I don't want to waste my phone battery, so I will talk to you guys in a little bit. Oh my goodness, driving here is giving me so much anxiety. Okay, so yes, I want to turn here.
1,000 feet, use the left lane to take the Interstate 81 West Route.
No, I don't want to go that way. Y'all, do you guys hear that? Yeah, I'm not going inside yet. It's literally dumping buckets of rain outside. Like, so much you don't see the drops, you just see water streaming down. Like, that's how hard it's raining. See, look, then it stops for a couple seconds. And so you're like, oh, I'm good. And then it's gonna start picking up again. So I'm just gonna wait. It'll like rain, and it'll stop raining for a second, and it'll start raining again. See what I say? See? What did I say? See? It's going again. That's exactly what I was talking about. This is why I did not get out of the car.
I cover my ears.
Yeah. It's just gonna keep going, you guys. So we're just sitting in the car. I almost want to turn the heat on because I got wet when I was checking the mail. And what is this? Oh, vehicle protection. Okay.
Look, it did it.
What?
It did it.
Like, why do they keep sending me things saying, hey, join Waiwa Family Dental Care, when that's already where I go to? So it stopped right now. It's gonna start again.
Is it start again?
I mean, if I didn't have to carry 2 kids in and like 4 bags in, it'd be fine. But I gotta carry all that stuff in. So I'm just gonna wait it out. Oh, I don't. Okay. I'm gonna have to turn my car off though,
What's
because
wrong?
that's a lot of gas. What do you mean what's wrong, sweetie? We're waiting for the rain to go away.
Now it's away.
Yeah, it's gonna start right back up the minute we get outside. It's always raining in central Oahu. Like, so we were out at the mall, which is by the beach, by Waikiki Beach, and it's like no clouds, super sunny. Yeah, it's already starting to pick up again. What did I say? And then we live in central Oahu. We're close to like the forest area. It is literally always raining.
The rain.
You know, which should make me feel
I
like
love
at
rain.
home because, you know, Seattle rains a lot. So
But my little puppy's scared of rain.
your puppy is Maddie scared of rain?
Yeah.
Okay.
We have to stay in the car.
Hey guys, it is currently 3:46. Oh, thank you. Yeehaw! We went to the mall. I picked up my orders. Tried on some stuff. I'm wearing some of my comfy stuff right now. Okay, good, that finished. So now I'm just uploading a vlog. Oh, it's very late, like super late. Let's see. Nope, wrong account. I want to go to my vlog one. Anyways, I'm so tired. These kids will not stop complaining. It's driving me nuts. So tired. Ugh. Yeah, this one. Anyway, so I need to practice some makeup looks, but I'm just not feeling like putting makeup on. Like, I want to have makeup on. I want to be able to take pictures with this camera to see how it looks, but I don't want to do the process of putting the makeup on. That's where I'm at right now. And it's not even that I have a problem putting makeup on. It's that I just don't want to bring it downstairs to do it. But I have to with my kids. Here, Julia.
A string! No, I'm yelling again. Yeah!
Yeah. Julia! What did you do? Give it back. Where's yours? What'd you do with it?